Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to select points inside a polygon. Okay guys, for example here number of polygons is there, but I want specific polygon inside point feature I want to select. So this is the polygon. In this polygon I want to select inside the point feature. So I am going to show you now. So I selected point feature. Before you are going to select the points, so select the polygon, then go to here selection, here click select by location, then here you have to select tick mark, you have to tick mark point feature here, then you have to select polygon, then here you have to tick mark use select feature, because we selected this polygon inside point feature we have to select. So that's why I click tick mark this one, then I selected source is polygon, then inside is the point feature, select, click apply. See here it is selected inside point features. This is the polygon that is inside of the point features, it is selected. For example I will select this one. Here I selected polygon, but inside point feature I want to select. Go to here selection, here click select by location, then here is the click mark, tick mark is the point feature. This is the target. We want to select point features. So here this is the source. See, if you are not tick mark this one, it will select all data. See, it will select all data because we are not use that option. If you are using that option means if you are use this option, whatever point feature we want select that things only it will select. I want to select this point features only, then you have to select, use this mark, then click OK. It will select only inside the polygon. Okay guys, like this we can use selected by location and select points inside a polygon. Okay guys, thank you so much.